So you have the baby in a buckle too?
Yes, man, we have boy baby, girl baby. If you want twin baby juice, we give you twin baby juice.
Hey, if you want anybody want to make baby, you have to link this man here. This man have everything, you know.
You have the body jumper, slide and wine, bedroom bullet tape sheet, brought down bed spring, nature calling, power in the walls. And every man need power.
So those are the special constables. What somebody crash? Sure, look you know. Jaja. Guys, I'm right here, an accident happened. Yeah, lick the man off his bike. Look at this. Man.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
European, it's from Belgium.
You from Belgium?
No, the wallet.
Oh, well, guys, blessed love. You know the thing goes, I am here, and guess where I'm at? I'm in the Eglinton. I am in Eglinton right now. You know the thing, I just reached, you know, just been picked up by my general Pablo. You know the thing goes, I'm here in Eglinton, you know. We're going through, we're rolling through. So we stop at the Supreme Juice Bar to get ourselves a smoothie. You know, keep everything smooth and nice. So see the Supreme Bar and we're in Eglinton. You wanna say hello?
Yo, what's up?
Come back, come say hello.
Alright. Straight from Canada.
From Canada.
Toronto.
You're a rapper?
No.
Oh, you can spit some bars, man.
Oh man, I don't rap.
You don't rap? Seems like you can rap. I see you got some profile in you and everything.
Okay.
Where you coming from? Work?
Yeah.
Good,
Gonna
good.
get some of the best juice in Toronto, you know?
Of course, that is the best juice. But today the sun is nice and warm. Tell me something about Eglinton.
I don't know much about Eglinton, man.
You're not from around here?
No.
Okay. Is it a nice place to live?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? What's it like? It's like or more
This is
multicultural.
little Jamaica.
Little Jamaica.
Yeah, Eglinton. From Oakwood. All along Eglinton.
So guys, so this is Little Jamaica. So in Jamaica, that's Big Jamaica.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
And this is Little Jamaica.
Real Jamaica.
Okay, so I don't see no Jamaican so far, but I see liquor shops and things. So I'm gonna search. I was here the last year,
Yeah.
and everything. Yes, but this is liquor. So this is where they call Liquor Jamaica.
Yeah, if you just go down to Oakwood and Eglinton,
Yeah.
that's like I don't know, some famous artists, like, you know, from Jamaica came and recorded here in the 60s, you know?
Okay, you know the name?
No, sorry. But if you go over there, it's
So
historic.
so go that way.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna tell my general, man. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Here is Pablo. Ah, big up. Yeah, the last time I come here, I never him.
Yeah, man, I'm same one, man.
How was going? Like grey?
Stress, no man, them stress about.
So quick. The last time. Can't probably last time we come, never said no grey at all, no man. So.
You know, I'm a black event, you know, you come with.
Remember, man. I was gonna live here in Canada, but him changed my mind, you know. A couple months ago, we said the man without grey.
Man, man, change your mind because Canada has stress about.
Yeah, can't deal with that right now, sir. We know.
Can't do that straight right now.
Get them one, get their foreign experience.
Experience good enough, but to stick around no good.
You know, good.
Stick around part of the problem.
Cause them come here with them black hair and I go back with a full white hair like a Santa come. Yeah, cause come no problem never have no grey.
I look how white.
I look how white. 6 months ago, I know this general, no grey at all. I look now, no star. Where is that true?
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know.
I get a small
Another place.
Another place.
How I do it?
Too much money.
Oh. Alright then, big up, yeah? General.
One love, brother.
Respect. So guys, I'm just gonna get a smoothie here. Tell them where your smoothie spot is.
Dufferin and Eglinton, right there in the Pizza Hut. Supreme Juice Bar. Just Google me, and I'm right here.
Yeah.
Instagram, whatever, WhatsApp, everything. I'm on all platforms.
Alright, so see there guys, I just got my summer green. I know the place is bright and green right now. So this is the way to go and roll in this scheme. Yo, pick up yourself. Were you born here too?
Yeah, born here.
Oh, so you won't get no green so early, right? Yeah, so I'm used to it. He was born.
True Canadian.
Yeah, so he used to it. He used to it. So it take him a while to grade. So it's nothing. But when you come from a different country and come here, you're gonna feel it. You know?
Yeah.
Because of course you will feel it, man. See, he's feeling it. Look, last week the man was.
Yeah, but I'm feeling it, man.
Yeah, he's feeling it, man. The pressure is real, man.
Still got time though.
You got time, you got time. Just do the right thing, man. Big up, man, big up. General. Yeah. We have Pablo in the building. Why, Pablo?
Yo, sir.
Nah, lying.
I'm for money. I hear money now.
Yeah. Nah, lying. The man was here, black up one day.
You can't rob you.
I know the man get dark up already. Nah, lying. Yeah, John. So that's why I'm telling you, so, yo, when you see our excellent family doing it.
December, me at 66, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think early 50s. So guys, so that's why I say we have to always appreciate our extended family, because we know this country ain't easy. No foreign country at all. I'm not saying just this country, but anywhere at all, it's not easy. So we have to always appreciate our extended family when I'm doing it to the program, you know, because trust me, it's not easy at times.
Yeah. You can't make people do something for you, and while them do it for you, you're destroyed. It don't make sense.
Yeah.
It don't make no sense to me.
We have to,
see it?
We have to appreciate, man, trust me, because the struggle over here is real. You know? When you find yourself at work and when you get paid and realize how much money you have to pay on the rent, and you say to yourself, say, yo, I wish I could have saved the money back home.
You better $3,000 a month for rent. And you don't start paying hydro yet.
Listen, you wish. You know, sometimes I will just reach here. So we're going to show them what I go on, mash one and two. Hey,
Think on camera, what me do?
what you have on camera, what you do?
Look on WhatsApp if you don't see me advertise, body jumper, slider one, bedroom bully, curb sheet,
juice, I'm selling it.
Juice.
Where you say, where the juice then? I want to see the juice then. Let me see the juice then. So you have the baby in the bucket too?
Yes man, we have boy baby, girl baby. If you want king baby juice, we give you twin baby juice.
Hey, if you want anybody want to make baby, you have to link this man here. This man have everything, you know.
You have the body jumper, slider wine, bedroom bully, tube sheet, brought down bed spring, nature calling, power in the walls. And every man need power.
I wish by you there, but I can't find you.
Right around this body shop you saw, Eglinton and Oakwood.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day. So if you're short in the bed, this man make you tall in the bed.
I can make you turn up harder.
So that means say yo, you still a mash up things then, man.
Still I make baby, we have a 6-year-old boy right now.
Right now?
And me I say,
yo, me have some friends when I have none right now, you know.
Then that means them a ram.
Then if
So then you walking up the road with your back by your side.
yeah.
Hold your hand together.
Oh, let me see where I'm at there, Pablo.
And you talk about the road. All you have to do is make the man buy 2 juice for your name.
Yeah. Alright then, so what you have in here now?
My body jumper, me have slide and wine. Slide and wine. We have broke down bed spring, nature calling, power in the woods. Because every man need power.
Yeah.
Without power you can't do nothing. If the blood not circulated, then they can't stand up.
Yeah, stand up. So I wish green one that you have in there.
That's a cucumber, it's a sorrel, it's a June plum, it's a peanut punch, it's a okra. This is called slide and wine.
Oh, we have another okra.
Okra, peanut, Guinness, vanilla, nutriment.
Oh.
Well, this is non-dairy. This is June plum juice. This is sorrel. And this is ginger beer.
Ginger beer.
And this is beetroot. This is carrot.
Alright, may I get the ginger beer? Ginger beer, have no fear.
Have no fear, just drink a juice. and learn to speak the truth, and that's no lie.
No lie. No.
Stay right in Eglinton and know could you get everything you want.
How much is?
$7.
Let me get this. Let me get this one. This one look like the one for me. Ginger beer, have no fear. Put a girl foot in the air. So me just get one new one there. Ginger beer, have no fear. Put a girl foot in the air. What I want the sound?
I make him dance and wiggle like in the pan beer.
Yo, $7?
Yes, sir.
So that 6. But I don't know the money there, you know. Hold on, help me out.
Size 7.
I $7.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is what? $1. Okay. So ginger beer, make you put a girl foot in the ear. And make sure what?
Wine pan the chair.
Oh, I make sure ball, oh my dear. So tell them I give for fine you.
Right Oakwood and Eglinton, right against Randy's. Get your natural juice.
Yeah.
Body jumper, slider wine, bedroom bullet, tube sheet, brought down bed string, nature calling, power in the walls. Every man need power.
Every man need power, or else you're going to get
The
the
blood not flowing, I have thing for the blood flow.
flow. Make them know. Yeah. And here you need to get one of those drinks, man.
Yeah.
This one, ginger beer, have no fear. Make you put a girl foot up in the hair. Make sure why not she say, oh my dear. You see me? Check him over there. Say there's no power in the house, you link him for that.
The power in the walls.
Yeah. Caribbean grocery wholesale. Let me see what them have in here. Cause it's all Caribbean. Let me see what I'll go on. In the Caribbean shop. Service! Oh, alright, my general.
A lot of people like goat, but lamb quarter is very tender and moist.
Caribbean shop.
I never used to eat it. Back 24.
Where you from?
Pakistan.
Pakistan?
Yeah.
Big up, my brother.
What?
You the owner?
Yeah.
What? So what makes you get into selling Caribbean stuff?
Oh, brother, it's a business and this must be.
Because when I come in here, I see all the Caribbean stuff.
Everybody's everywhere now.
Yes.
All those big stores are owned by Chinese people.
Yeah, that's true. I'm like this.
Canada is a diverse country, brother.
Yeah, I'm like this man he's got all the Caribbean stuff from the Caribbean you're selling. You name it, everything from Jamaica. Look, even tigers. Oh my days. He's got the tigers as well. He's got the banana chips.
Right there.
You know.
Top shelf is all this.
Look, all Jamaica. Our plantain chips here, cheesies, you name it. The Jamaica. No sir. We have the Fosca oats. This man have everything from Jamaica. See the Arizona here. Man have the Arizona. Hey, the man have everything here. I said from Jamaica. And he's from Pakistan. You know, look at this. Look, rough. The man have everything in your cell. Have you ever been to Jamaica?
Yes, I've been there.
Yes.
I bring my stuff from there, brother. So
Oh, you bring it from there? Very smart, very smart. But it's a good business to have in an area like this.
Yeah, I know.
Because them call it Little Jamaica, right?
That's right.
You're smart. You know, good mind for the business. Good mind.
Very good.
All right, big. What's your name?
Cameron.
So tell them what your shop name and where it is.
All season food market in Little Jamaica.
Little Jamaica. It's not Eglinton, it's Little Jamaica.
That's true.
All right, so we're going to classify you as Jamaican.
No problem.
All right, then. So you're one of us. You're one of us. You are one of us. The man get everything from Jamaica. See the Jamaica bun here, the Easter bun, the spice bun, the Shirley biscuit, the Ovaltine.
Your hard dough bread.
All the bread too. See there? Oh gosh. The man have everything in here. No sir. That's good. Smart.
Yeah,
You have to smart for the business. Smart business.
Pablo, man, Pablo.
One of the general.
Big up, yeah? One of the general.
Man, all the time, brother.
Yeah, man.
See you all the
Yeah,
time,
man.
brother.
Cooler, man. Big up.
Do like video there.
Yeah. See that? Big up yourself, man.
One progress, you know?
Yeah.
Large up yourself, kid.
Alright.
Stay up.
African Jamaican.
Yeah, man.
It's a
Get mind dance, man.
It's a smile at the general.
African Jamaican.
We look like a smile a lot, man. But them call you smiley, you look like a smile a lot.
Good and so body.
Yeah.
It goes so.
It goes so, man.
African Jamaican.
You're African Jamaican?
Yeah, African Jamaican.
Africa?
Jamaica.
You're from Africa?
Born Somalia.
Born Somalia?
Yeah.
Okay.
They call me African Jamaican.
Okay, so why them call you African Jamaican and you born Somalia?
Because they love me. Jamaica love me.
You're from you're close to Ethiopia, right?
Border. I know Jamaica, I know Somalia.
Okay. Big up yourself, Africa, Jamaica. Yeah. God, we just there go and pass through see me here in Eglinton, little Jamaica. You know? I'm saying little Jamaica is definitely like Jamaica, but not like. Eh? It was good, man. Caribana was good. No lie. There in Eglinton, so they're gonna move and come back. Alright, my general, Smiley.
Yeah, bro.
Smiley when I smile too much. Yeah. Alright, African Jamaican. General. Big up, yeah? Yeah, man, big up.
Keep up working.
Yes, man. Every time. Can't stop. Thank you so much, yeah? Yeah, man, thank you. Alright, cool, huh? Alright, guys, so we keep it moving.
Same there, don't make him get tired of same there.
Alright, guys, so we're there in Blur. With the man Pablo himself. They are going to walk the place, you know?
No, I didn't see him. Are you a London YouTuber?
Jamaica YouTuber.
Brush off me on the Akeynote. Jesus Christ. Finally meet the Akeynote.
Finally. Ja. See them, man.
Well, I don't say that we know you
Long time. Yeah.
Glad to see you.
Life in
Yes, man.
Rastafari.
Cooler, man.
Blessed love, my brother.
More love, man. More love. Cooler, man. Finally in person.
Definitely.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, my brother. Big up, man. Cooler, man.
Nothing about trench on, but the trench on blood in me.
Inna you. By just watching alone.
Bro, me still live my granny a trench on, me a little baby, I mean, I know nothing about trench on. You know the day they come for me.
Yeah.
For real.
Yeah.
Oh, chef and everybody. Rasta Jackson. I'm sorry, I'm in the park, right? If you bring me in the park, you know, come on, show him Rasta Jackson.
Alright, boy, show me the park.
I want to show you Rasta Jackson in the park. I hope him in the right.
Yeah.
Jamaican.
Alright, then we go see him there now. I could go see this Rasta Jackson. Yes, guys, you know your thing go. Yeah, man, you know your thing go.
Say me half a touch. Pablo and.
Yeah.
Remember me tell you.
Make it happen.
Last year, I know.
No, but me tell you one thing, you know. The money are coming like family, you know.
I'm going to see you from day one when you're doing from a long time.
Pablo, make it happen, man, you know. Pablo, make it happen. I was there.
No respect.
Yes, sir. Rasta Jackson down at the park.
I hope he's in there right now.
Yes, sir.
I told him enough times, I said, if I am Rasta Jackson, I know family something.
Wrong. Jesus Christ. Big up who you want for big up, man.
Chef. Jella.
Yeah.
Name? My boss in a bed. My boss in a bed. Gin.
Yeah.
No respect.
Yeah, Gin.
Rasta Jackson.
Pinedo.
What my messy ball?
Rasta Messi Boom.
Rasta Messi Boom.
Yeah, man.
Each and every.
Baja.
Baja. Your cousin Baja.
Uncle.
Your uncle. What my girlfriend name, man?
Auntie.
No, auntie too.
Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa. Big up. Big up. Esther Mums. No respect.
Yes,
My girl, man.
Natisha.
Natish.
Yeah.
No respect. Jaja.
Hey, man, over there.
Hey, Jado. I have to look that park if you see me.
Yeah, man. What's his name? Blur.
Yeah,
Blur Street.
Blur and Christy.
Blur and Christy, one long street.
Yeah, man.
Blur and Christy.
Yeah, but I tell you about the alibi to the brother.
Yeah. I roll show. The pizza, man. I'm like, you good? Where you going? I'm sorry, come. I'm sorry, no problem.
It's for real.
And just jump on the pan. You know what thing?
You come like me know you from. Mom River, my place, you know.
Which part?
Mom River, my place.
Yeah?
Oh,
Yeah.
how could I forget?
Cranberry and
Cranberry
family.
and family. Eh? What the boss man name again?
Chargy.
Chargy.
Yeah.
And wife, what's she name again?
Kenisha.
Kenisha, Ken.
Yeah.
So you have Cranberry,
You have Nana.
Nana,
You have Toko.
Toko,
And Tara.
and Tara.
Yeah, man.
And the twins.
Yeah, man. Little man and little miss.
Man and little miss.
The whole
And my
family.
place still in the Mom River. That's
Yeah.
where my grandparents, my family's still up there.
Okay,
Pass
okay.
by every day. The same water way, you know.
Yeah,
I'm in
yeah.
there every day.
Okay, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
So,
I even brought my kids there. in
Yeah,
2016.
yeah,
I brought
yeah,
them there
yeah.
for the first time.
so blessed water, man.
Blessed water.
Blessed water, man.
That's
I
the
like.
only water I know in all my life in Jamaica.
Yeah?
It's Mom River. And Hope River behind me because I don't have to
Yeah, yeah. Hope River. I've been to Hope River as
Yeah,
well
man.
too.
Same thing.
Everything connected, you know.
Yes, smart. Telling you, bro.
But never get your name, what the iron name?
My name's Clive still.
Clive.
Fred, in other words.
Yeah, Fred.
Straight out of Papi.
Alright then, Clive.
Enough respects to all the massive from Tavan. Uptown, downtown, Garden Town, August Town.
All around the
Entire-
town.
Everywhere.
The whole entire, you know. So them said there's a Rasta Jackson in the park. So walking to the park to see if we can find this Rasta Jackson
Christy Park.
look-alike.
Christy Park.
Well, me and
Christy Park.
Christy Park. So it's not far away, the park is across right here
The
still.
whole line is
So this street is a busy street.
every day.
Okay, how far the street go to? Where it head to?
All the way out west, probably to the airport. Out to
Okay, look. It out.
Oh yeah, that's a regular thing.
A regular thing.
It's a regular,
It's out cold.
it's a regular thing.
So around here is more like a multicultural.
Very
around here.
multicultural. All
Okay.
these guys are playing their Spanish music. A lot of Spanish boys around.
Yeah.
Jamaicans, a lot of Africans.
Yeah.
Everybody else, Portuguese, all kinds. Everybody's here.
Oh, it's a mount,
It's a
yeah.
melting pot.
Very, yeah, as you can see.
Like, you know, come like me know you from 19 or long.
I saw it go, man. I saw it.
Me enough people say it's still in about for
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah, them always say, you know, and I feel the same way when time I meet them.
Right.
You can feel the energy like, yes, youth, we love what you do.
Yeah. So this is Christy Park. Everybody hangs out here, you know, there's all kinds of festivities.
Yeah.
You just come hang out, chill. On a Sunday there'd be a movie night, the massive screens.
Okay, inside here.
Hundreds of, it's right down here in front of the gazebo.
Okay.
Massive screen every Sunday for the past 15 years actually.
Okay. It looks live.
Always live.
Look
There's
live
a swimming
and-
pool over there.
Yeah.
See, you got the Revolutionary Communist Party, Marxist people doing their thing.
Okay. It looks live for sure. And this is during the week and it looks like this. So imagine on a weekend. Yes, man. Yeah. Very live.
Some they play some ball. Baseball games over here, soccer games.
Yeah.
People just come hang out. These guys
Yeah.
are playing dominoes.
Oh, you see there?
Rasta Jackson.
Rasta Jackson there. Manners.
Rasta Jackson. Keen on life in Jamaica.
Big up.
YouTuber.
Big up.
Patrick Roots. Jalai.
Manners, my general. Manners. Fireman. Big up. Rasta Jackson.
Let's tell about Rasta Jackson. That's the man I say reminds me of Rasta Jackson.
Come back Jamaican Canadian Center.
Yeah.
They will meet him up there now. Maybe him no recognize us.
Okay, yeah. When I go and play two domino as usual.
Doesn't have a resemblance of Rasta Jackson?
Well, a slight resemblance, yes.
Life in Jamaica.
Nah, big up, you know. Him have a look at him as well, too.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Life in Jamaica. Big YouTuber. You know. Life in Jamaica. That's a YouTuber right
See him on YouTube, I
That's
tell him
right.
about. See him on Jamaica walk by and
Okay.
the next youth will name youth are going in the hills, them man, got a compound town thing.
Okay. You must so
Yeah
go,
man, I
man.
don't recognize the face.
Yeah, man.
I
Cool,
watch
man.
it
How are you doing
regular.
here?
Me make a loom.
A loom, we
A
call it.
loom. Alright, you see the Rasta belt them,
Yeah.
you can build upon this. But you know, you can build Rasta belt, you can build bow tie and suspenders and watch band and strap. You know,
okay.
but this is a loom. It named loom.
Loom.
Yeah, it's like the thing where them weave material pan.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
one of them me a build from scratch.
Okay. At the first I build one?
At first me I build one, but me did have one already years ago when me a little youth, you know.
Yeah,
Me
yeah.
used to do it, so me a build back one forward there now. You know, see?
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
man.
so we use
So-
that one here to do.
Alright, these now are gonna be, you see these are gonna be holes these sides so these can go in there.
Okay.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It's gonna be set like this. It's gonna be set like this. I'll set like so. And then these now, like so.
Yeah.
Right, stand up. Right, like this. Then I'm gonna stand up on it. I'm gonna put them in so that them stay in. Right? So then there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right?
of them,
And then what you do now is you put yarn. You put the yarn on it. And then you have a thing now where you put tighter lace band and you lace it through. Lace it through like you weave.
Okay.
Lace it through. Till it build a belt. You cut it off and put a buckle on it and seal it up.
Okay, that's how they do it.
Yeah. So that, a loom.
A loom.
A loom. It's like a weaving like device. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I saw them build, but they have a next procedure now where you use that thing with just small like this. We have nail right along the edge. Nail, and then just use the nail them and tie the thread them instead of go around. Around the thing. That's how they see the same work, but it's just a stationary thing. See, this is the way it really come from, where they make material on them thing there, you know. So that one is closer to the real thing, but that one is a more innovative thing. Feel like I get to you to have the money, you can buy a box of nail, a piece of board, and build one where you can take him time, weave it, and make them same way. You know, but that one is faster, because that one I make them in a half an hour, I make me done a belt.
Quick and fast.
Quick. That means say you can't come to me and say, yo, Banton, I want a belt, you know.
Yeah.
And give me like half an hour and check my back.
Done already.
Solid and got you. See?
That is it,
man.
man.
And you can choose like how you want the pattern for look. Me give the red, gold and green mark and the white and the red and the black and whatever. And you mark and show me how you want the belt for look. Like the pattern where you want. And me will show you some of my pattern you can pick from too. But if you have a pattern where you like, you can build it so.
Also.
And then you get it your original style with nobody now.
Nobody.
Chris to you.
Yeah, man, talented. Yo, thank you so much for watching. Yeah,
in peace
continue,
and
man.
prosperity.
Everything.
And stay on the live.
Same way.
Yeah, man, cause we're live.
Live.
Bless.
We're out here. Alright, we go.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of changes from them times till
Big
now.
changes, big changes.
A lot.
Because even the population has grown. You know, massive changes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
A lot
The
of
multiculturalism is still here because you still have a lot of different races and everybody seems to get along. Not the odd, you know. There's always going to be racism everywhere, bro.
Yeah.
But you know, you have your odd shit.
But this area is not known for no bag of violence or anything.
No, not at all.
Not at all.
No, because you don't know. You're hanging with Pablo, so you ain't about that.
Yeah.
He's not about that. You know, Pablo gonna say, yo, we don't want that boat here, you know.
Yeah.
So you know, and he's an elder.
Yeah.
Man have to listen. And when he gets upset, he gets upset. So you just listen and shut the hell up and you know, move according.
Yeah.
You see him Rasta, I say it's Rasta Jackson. He's the same thing.
Yeah, my slight resemblance, you know, of Rasta Jackson. You know.
And he's tall too, eh?
Yeah. I like it. The place look calm.
Of course.
You know.
And every other week there's somebody else taking this over and doing whatever. They might have a meeting or a birthday party.
Yeah.
Whatever. I mean, just like the man making the thing. Usually these people aren't here. He's got a speaker on his bike.
Yeah, he told me.
Boom, boom.
Yeah.
Yes,
He told me.
He told me that DJ thing for a long time.
Yeah.
And that guy on the end over here, he's a radio personality.
Okay.
They all went down to see Luciano the other day.
Yeah.
Rosie, and she was always playing her music. She's real roots to the core. She's a Trini girl.
Oh, from Trinidad.
Yeah.
Rosie, I all I meant, you know.
Man, Rosie's roots to the core. Yeah, man. Have to touch it. Have to touch it, you know.
Yeah. Hello. Can I have some? My name is Kino. Life in Jamaica.
So if you subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica, you're gonna see yourselves right
Oh,
here.
that's so
So, you have so much food I don't want to share.
good. Yeah, you're welcome, Sam.
Yeah, all right then. What is this? Wasabi
Yo, just avocado and cucumber.
and cucumber. And what is that one?
Shiitake?
Shiitake. And this one?
Yeah, and avocado.
Oh, but you guys eating a lot. You gonna eat off all of this?
Yeah.
Sure.
It's not that much.
It's not that much. It's okay.
That is a lot.
I could sit and eat the whole tray right
Yeah,
I think I
yeah,
could
because
too.
then again,
It's
it's really small. It's really
It's actually
small.
good.
Where you get that? Where you get this to buy?
What is it called? Milo?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you,
Mido.
Kino.
Okay.
You know, I forgot to tell you, this is also Koreatown.
Oh,
This is Koreatown.
Koreatown.
So all the stories you're gonna see, they're all Koreans.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay, so it's nice to meet you, ladies.
Nice to meet
Thank
you
you.
too.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good
All right, you too.
Take care.
I will come back next time for some. You got more food in the bag. Oh my days. Abundance. I like this. Food in abundance.
It's true.
I like it. You know, divine.
So nice to meet you.
Yes. All right then. Bye bye. You coughing? What's wrong? Eh? The cigarette. It's a cigarette, man. It's too. You cannot lie down and smoke. You have to sit up. That's why you cough. Big up, my brother. See you drop something there. All right. I wonder if I can sit with these ladies. You don't mind me sit down? All right then, so.
no problem.
Hello. Well. So guys, so wow, so I'm here with these lovely queens who is surprisingly from Jamaica. You know, I thought she was living in Buckingham Palace. I never know. I said the royalties outside here. You know, so I'm rolling. So imagine here, I got Faith and she's O. You know, and I have Glory over here. So we have Faith and O. So them say, why they call it hope?
I don't know, because I guess there's hope in this world. We need hope.
And
a lot of hope.
I guess you have the hope, right? Because them say your name is a lot of meaning to your life. You believe in that, right? You believe in that, right? Because all names got meaning. Then, so it was nice meeting you, Hope.
Good luck.
Gloria, thank you so much.
Yeah,
you know,
good luck.
I'm gonna use your name and keep the hope.
Okay.
And borrow Gloria and keep the faith.
Okay.
Right, Gloria?
Okay.
Alright, then take care. Yeah.
Okay, so where can we find you on, you said?
YouTube, Kino Life in Jamaica. Let me show you.
Yes, video man. Clap.
Big up yourself, man.
Yes, YouTuber.
Big up,
Me
big
here,
up.
man. Me a yard man, to you know, man.
Yeah, yard man.
Benbo.
Oh,
Man.
Bembo.
Live off for 40 years. You know Yosh?
Yosh,
Yeah,
no.
man, you brethren, man. You brethren, we do the...
Oh, yeah.
My brethren, them, man. Yeah, so me live, man.
Big up yourself,
My
man.
brethren was just telling me. Big up
Yeah.
yourself here.
Yeah, man,
Good
every
things,
time.
good things.
Yeah, man, big up. Cool. Alright then. Yeah. I hold them vibes, right? Big up my general.
YouTuber from yard, you know?
Yeah, man, big up. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
I'm a Jamaican YouTuber.
Alright, Anna.
I follow the man to my church man.
Yeah.
What's your name in Mango?
D-Mango. Yeah, cool, man. Big up yourself, man. See them, man.
That's it, man.
Yeah, man. No
Every time.
you know. Honorable.
man.
So my day footstep right now, not the doorstep. Right, yeah, you know. I like the place, you know. Yeah, I like the vibe. Good in it. Yeah, man, I like the energy, you know.
Oh, your sister, she good.
Yeah. She walk home, you know. Body is good and everything, man.
What's your sister's name again?
Felicia. Yeah.
Mummy Michelle. Enough respect.
Yes, man. Mummy Michelle.
Them not stop big up Mummy Michelle. Say, boy, Kino.
Yeah.
Mummy Michelle do a good job.
Yes, man. Sure. She does, you know. She does. Really, you know. From where we're coming from.
Yeah.
She
I
do.
like the relationship you have with your daughter.
Yeah.
With your son. You say, well, Kino, go on.
Yeah, man. As I say, family. You know, with your family. But it's really Korean town still, you know.
Bring us also for years, man.
For years. Oh, I'm gonna try Korean food while I'm here.
Sure, you should.
You know?
Open any one of these two here.
Yeah.
See people loaded all in these two all the time.
These two?
Yeah.
So that means that these two have good food.
I've been from this before.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You like it?
I did like it.
Yeah.
I did like it.
Yeah.
You know, you're not too meaty still, but...
No, but the seafood thing we work with. Yeah. They're good for that though.
Yeah. I'm sure they have seafood, noodles, rice, all that stuff.
Yeah, yeah. I think I should try. Yeah.
I know there's one down here. I'm not sure if it's where that sign is on the floor there.
Yeah.
Probably a little cheaper food in there. I would say try there just to ask them.
Okay.
It'll probably be cheaper. And probably you get a...
That one there? Which one is that?
This one have a big name. This has a big name.
Okay.
Everybody comes to the owl. When you're like, oh, it's the owl. You know, and you see families going in.
Yeah.
Going in. So we know this is good for sure. But if it's just a taste, I'm thinking whatever. But if you choose to,
yeah, man, bless it. All right, cool.
You know?
Yeah, man, big up. Yeah, big man, Korean. Let's try some Korean food. Yeah, sure. I get to get to learn that.
Oh God. For a while, because I did Taekwondo first. And then you learn the basics, you know. Hana, Tio, Net, you learn to count and you know, you learn all the little things.
I'm going with that real karate kid. And you cannot play with me. You see, I got Popo watch me. I got Soldier, you know. I got Bodyguard of Beijing. I got Karate Kid, you know. He's starring Karate Kid Part 4.
You got Christmas list.
You got Christmas list. Listen, I am loaded.
Big up Christmas list.
Yeah, big up.
Love respects Christmas list. One love, you know?
Yes, man. So guys, so I'm going to try the Korean food. First time trying Korean food. So I'm going to have it to go, but I'm going to dip inside of it, taste some first before I go, you know? So he can translate to me and let me know how it tastes and let them know, you know, in a patois. Yeah, so I was talking to you soon. You know what I mean? I will talk to you soon. That means I want me to be continued.
You know? Well, you're gonna have to use a spoon.
I use a spoon. Alright, so I hot still.
I don't know if you want water.
Water, no, I don't want water. So I go and go there. Alright. Looks good.
You could probably ask him for soy sauce, hot sauce.
Yeah.
You want that?
Yeah. What is this now? So guys, they give me spoon and chopstick. And this is the seafood fry, right? Seafood fry, right? Spoon.
Plant is called the Owl of Minerva.
Oh, the Owl of...
like, you know, Patuk.
Yeah, owl. Okay, the Owl of Minerva.
Minerva.
Guys, man, I'm sorry, my battery dead for me. You know, as I about to take the first bite, but let me go back in the place. I'm not lie. You see? I already start eating, but I'm going to wait upon the thing to charge up. But I'm going to pause the eating to make you guys know how I go on. So, this is the seafood fried rice. The Korean food tastes so good. See the octopus here? See the octopus here? Yeah. A real octopus this. Watch out for that, so for the back. Alright guys, so it's squid?
It's calamari because it's sliced.
Oh, so guys, this is the calamari right here. And you have the octopus. It's like a baby octopus. Damn! Look at the baby one.
Nice and crunchy.
Oh my days. I don't know if I can eat that one now. That one looks scary.
No, close your eyes.
Close my eyes?
Oh, sure.
Why? I can't close my eyes anymore because my mind, I already know.
It's good.
It's good?
Of course.
Seafood. So, them say must close my eye and eat it. So, see that? I close my eye and eat it.
Seafood, bro. Just like eating a calamari, no different. Tastes just like another seafood, no different. So you makes you stronger.
Yeah, me not like
This
taste
is
good.
what chef say good for the back.
Good for the back. Coach say good for the back. Right. It really tastes good. Me not
Chef
like.
for the 2 hours.
And the calamari, I gotta be honest, right? You have Chinese and you have the Korean food. And for me, this Korean food tastes good. I swear it tastes so good. I like it. Koreans them can cook. It good. No right. Good. Them tie me. I say why you married to a Korean? Yes man. We get the best food.
And they're very clean people too, you know?
Yeah. Guys, not like it really do taste good. And right now we have insect unjud. Right now I want to buy my tongue because you can't speak them language there. I can buy my tongue. Right now I'm going to eat this spoon now.
Food is good.
So this now kimchi. So it's like it's cabbage. Now I can smell the cabbage.
It's fermented. It's good.
Fermented.
Really good.
Kimchi.
Marinated in like mackerel oil or something.
Wow.
It's really good.
Korean and bad, me not like.
You know what I mean? You get meat.
Come on, go on.
Meats are good too. They don't do all that stuff.
Kimchi. It feels good. Here's the kimchi. It's cabbage. In here,
it's like a salad.
It's like a salad. What is? It's like seaweed, so.
Yeah, that's like that's seaweed.
It is seaweed.
It is seaweed. You taste it. You can taste the slimy, the crunch, just like the calamari. Oh yeah, taste it.
Wow, seaweed.
Beautiful.
Seaweed.
Oh yeah, it's fresh too. Fresh.
Seaweed. Seaweed.
Seaweed. You feel out the slime like you're eating Irish mass.
Yeah.
That's what that is. And this is gonna taste like a piece of yam on the other side, which is like a katsugi. See, that's beautiful. That's very good for you too.
Yeah, this is seaweed.
Very good for you. And the other stuff like bean sprouts.
Yeah, I can taste the slime in the spine and everything. Like.
That's right. So you know it's seaweeds for real. And you taste that, you taste the sea in the ocean.
It's the sea. Oh my God.
It's like eating seafood. You get used to it.
It tastes good.
It's an acquired taste.
It tastes.
It's an acquired taste.
Acquired. It's acquired. Make my face speak a lot.
It's healthy food.
It's acquired taste. Make my face speak a lot.
Very healthy food. Yep.
It's my face attack.
And you know it's vegetable, it's just the same. Seaweeds, it's not meat. It's all good for you.
Wow. Alright, you know. Let me put the seaweed one side and try.
That's like the bean sprouts.
This is the bean sprouts, right? Yeah.
Same vegetable stuff.
Guys, I never give me no fork, so I have to be using the spoon. They give me chopstick. Not time to learn that right now. No time I got to learn anything.
That's what that's chopstick.
It's all chopstick.
And you can use the chopsticks, you know. You get used to it.
I take too long right now.
Practice it.
So, you got.
As long as you're moving this with those 2 fingers.
See chopstick, yeah? Watch, watch.
Even easier.
It's easier.
That's
one
it.
stick.
That's it. See that? That's like bean sprouts. Like water sprouts, you know?
And this now is what?
It's like sort of like a yam, like a katsugi.
Look like Irish.
It's kind of soft, like a soft yam. It's just like eating anything else. You know what I tell you? Just like eating a soft yam. But slightly Irish potato, slightly yamish.
Yeah, slightly Irish potato, slightly.
Yeah.
It have a little sweetish.
This is how you use your chopstick. Just these two fingers.
Yeah.
Just these two moves. Close and pick up.
This tastes like sweet potato. Like a sweet potato taste, like a sweet potato taste.
Like Irish.
Yeah, slight Irish. Yeah. It has some different.
That's good for you. Now the vegetables we haven't eaten or haven't tried.
So,
you know, it's not like yam and banana.
Watch my fingers.
The one?
Hey, I done it. I've done it. Good enough. Yeah. And I like their food. The rice, good. Yeah. I really like this. Oh, there's more octopus. Yeah, I like it now. I like it.
We'll try different things,
So, I'm going after the detox.
Check out Zaza.
Yeah. Trust me, help. Help me.
Yeah, the night market.
Good. Alright. I'm gonna finish it. Or
Can't talk anymore.
I think the octopus are trying to lock me. The octopus are trying to lock my throat. Oh my goodness. The octopus are trying to lock my throat.
No.
You send out them legs them. I wrap around my tongue so while I was swearing.
Have some more?
Keep going down.
Still have some more. It's always good.
Yeah. Hey. You want top water?
Tap water?
It's top.
Oh yeah, probably is.
Yeah.
You're right.
It's good. I try to save some plate. At least look a bit.
Over there.
So later, people will see me. I throw up with the laptop too. You can't even talk, me lose all my speech. The octopus are the wrong way about things now, right now. Okay. You know what? Okay.
Yeah, she said she don't look possible.
Yeah.
I respect that chick.
Yeah. Right. Guys, but now like this food was good. We couldn't even talk too much. I come like the octopus and tie up something around my throat, my tonsil, you know. Yeah, so it was good, man. I like it. I even bringing some home. I'm bringing some home. Trust me, I have to try it. Pablo! Boy, I'm there, I try the Korean. The Korean food bad, man. You ever tried it? You ever tried it before?
No, I never tried it.
Yeah, it's bad. Because I have the seafood fried rice with no egg. And it's bad, me I tell you. Bad. The seafood fried rice.
Seafood fried rice.
Yeah, no egg.
And what like on top of it?
It's like them give kimchi, like cabbage, with sauce, and you have the we call it is sprouts and seaweed and something like Irish like. Nice.
So much of that?
$18.
So me I want some. But otherwise.
See your things at $20.
Yeah, it's a $20. I probably have to tax.
Yeah, with taxes.
Come upon the thing.
Otherwise.
Yeah. Hello, ouch, you make me hit my foot. You done that. Look what you did. You did that.
Good old Glory Street, man. Yeah, they got the bike lanes, eh?
Alright, see that? See that? The great ferry.
Yeah.
Yeah, from way up in the place.
Ferry what?
Up in a pop in.
You don't know
Miami
Tavern.
Riverside.
Miami Riverside.
Yes, sir.
Augustown.
Yeah.
You see it?
Uptown.
You don't know the thing set.
One
heart of love.
Yeah, man.
Strength and energy.
One.
Keep it real.
Every time.
I will not fake.
No.
I will not eat steak.
Love alone.
Every time.
Every time.
No steak, no bake. And
if you put him back again,
they put him back on YouTube.
Put him up, man, on the YouTube.
Them say was put him on YouTube.
But short cut.
Yeah.
Give him a full cut.
Sorry, when you talk to him, where you want him to say?
Yo, hear what me I say?
Yeah.
Tell the man the real deal, brother.
Yeah, what's the real deal?
You teach me how to do. Be a Korea Canada.
Yeah.
When me just come here. You teach me how to read.
Yeah.
You teach me how to jump fence.
Yeah.
Jump off a roof.
Yeah.
Everything him teach me.
Oh, so it's a good influence or is a bad influence?
No, it's a good influence because you what happen. The whole of my picnic them live outside.
Okay,
Righteous.
okay.
So it's not a bad influence.
Yeah. So it's a good teacher. It's a good teacher.
Yeah, brothers, every time.
So welcome to the class.
Yeah.
So what you say about that big man you know?
A big man, yeah? Why am I a friend the way? Treat him like a stepchild.
A stepchild?
Yeah, but me nah say no.
I walk up and down on him.
Why? You don't know, the man nah move right.
Nah. Well, if I start move wrong then. I move too wrong.
Barry.
If I move wrong.
Barry nah move right.
Yeah, if I move too wrong then, man.
Barry, no. Yeah.
You don't really go back with Trenchtown though. System link up back with Trenchtown.
Yeah. Foundation.
So one time I look for that. The one time I look for that, I thought for college to be drive. Later the night, everybody I care about.
Well, long time.
Long time ago.
Long time.
I mean, I see nobody. I never say, lock off light.
Yeah, you tell me that story.
I say, well, look, pick the cover out, I go right for that car, I stop.
Yeah.
See that moment there? And the shining white man.
Yeah.
Shining white man. I say, I'll put that Sunday, I'll probably care to people there. I see the whole streets are empty.
Yeah.
I'll put that Sunday, man, it's like a crown, like a
crown. Man, church was a place full of vibe. Nice.
Yeah, man.
Very nice.
That was a party that everybody there happy. I thought about that care, everybody have
yeah, man, the place nice, man. Trust me.
Everybody have
Welcome to Jam Rock. You know?
A long time for reaching the place.
Yeah. In the Korean world right now, there, you know? Trying the Korean food. The food really surprised me, not lying, you know, to be honest. And I'm just giving it time and see how it will operate with my belly. Because I say give food time, you know, to see literally how it will operate with your belly. You know, but so far so good. You know, Korean food, I lead it Chinese.
Everybody name that. Everybody name, remember. The name of the whole of
That is the can man. Can man.
Bring me a beer when you come here.
Yeah.
You have a key for yourself.
Yeah.
Enough man have key for garbage man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
They bill all over the time.
Joke the Chinese people.
I don't think the man pick up say that PRH people.
Yeah.
Feed them police.
And
A group
so Rasta.
See a group of them.
Oh man.
So you been to Bobo Hill?
No, I'm
No reach there yet.
But
I'm
it's on your list.
I'm still, you know.
Yes.
After 87 them there friend I never go back home yet.
Yeah. So long.
Man who always start and the ass dead left him.
So the jacket disappoints you?
No, do good for me still, you know.
Do good.
Yeah man, we not still.
Okay.
Yeah man.
Came on a spa?
Yeah man. Yeah man, Mr. Dad.
Hey, you know you're on YouTube, right?
Oh wait, that's good, brother.
Special.
As long as I'm on a good YouTube, and I'm happy with
it's on a good one. So explain to me this special concept.
Special concept. We're a support unit for TPS.
Oh, I'm from Jamaica, you see.
Oh, yeah.
I'm here on
We work
vacation.
for Toronto Police. We're a support unit, so we help with everything around, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me something about that food. I just had the food.
This is pork bone soup. Korean food is one of the best soups, and it's spicy. You will love it.
I just tried it.
Did you?
My first time trying Korean food.
Yeah.
Usually I eat Chinese food.
Yes.
But the first time I'm coming here, so I tried the Korean food.
Oh,
I was impressed.
Yeah. I'm addicted to these things.
Listen, right now I'm leaving to go back to Jamaica and I'm going to miss it.
Oh,
you know, because only if I did know, I would have tried it a long time ago.
Brother. Well, I'm glad you took some good memories.
Yes, I. Thank you so much. All right then, special. So those are the special constable. What somebody crash? Sure, look you know, Jaja. Guys, I'm right here. An accident happened. Yeah, lick the man off his bike. Look at this. Man got lick his bike and then look over. We're not gonna do it now. I'm a blue or green Christmas.
And then we'll get stunned, you know?
708 Give it Christy and it's on the street. Oh, guy got the door. 6
Right tonight, do you going up?
I heard it, so. How will
the back door? The back door, yeah.
The back door, right. Because you might come and open the door.
Oh. Yeah.
When people are flying too fast, they're still enough.
No, but them fi look out too.
Yeah,
but them not fi do that.
They're not supposed to stop us.
He's not supposed to let off nobody this
No, he's not supposed to. He's probably going to get a ticket too.
You got a ticket for that, right?
Yeah, you should. You should get a ticket. Like all that now.
Huh?
I say I like all that now. Ambulance comes from Ghana hospital.
Yeah.
Tell you the truth.
And eat a food. Yeah.
The police are here. The police are here.
Police is here. And look how we attack. All of me ears, boom boom. Yeah, and the nice me, bloop bloop. Mama look around, I see him on the floor.
You think I like when I run over the same thing with us?
Yeah.
I turn around, I say, no, sir. I lick the sound different, and then put it there like that.
So these are the two, the driver and the two.
When I come out of the back door. That's what come up in foreign papers, you know. I know for them in there, they are not no papers, you know.
So guys, so basically the car was parked there and opened the door, and the bike man was coming down in the bike lane, and same time he was get licked off. You know? Yeah. So basically over here, you know this is a bike lane. Hold on. Yeah?
And I did see you on one bike like that, you know.
Yeah.
The crying on me, that, you know.
I'm worried too.
What key on the pond that the bike, the brother? See the electric bike, you know.
Yeah, one of them bike.
Why when the man come off, I feel like a king.
Yeah. I worry. Trubus says a black you.
No, it's not about that. Same thing could have happened, cause you see what the man do.
But he might look like him.
And he ride hard,
yeah. Cause you hear the noise now. Cause look out there you talk and we hear the noise.
The virgin that ride him like ride hard.
Yeah, I don't even know.
The pizza guy. Him like ride fast with you.
Yeah. But not too fast still.
He look like he will take it easy.
Not too fast.
Look like him, go mile a bit.
So guys, so basically, so this is at the bike lane, right? And that vehicle park literally on the line right here after bike lane. So someone was coming out the back seat and opened the back door and licked the man right off of the bike. All I hear is boom boom. You know, was just here talking and all of a sudden I hear boom boom boom. Just like how you see this lady here riding on the lane. I saw the door just open. Yeah. Can I see the bike in here? You know. So these are the bikers them over here. And the door just open. Just like this. The door open. Alright, wow. But me I tell you, in a few man right now they must say yes. I'm gonna get that money, you know, because they notice it. You know, when I time I see my hold him hand first, and then all of a sudden I see him start holding foot.
Can you know which part?
Then I see my hold him back. So, you know, and then I see him start holding forward. So me I say right now, I might eat a piece of food there. Yeah. Yeah, the angry lick. Just, you know, what me used to say. Yeah.
Yeah, boom.
Yeah. But
the angle lick
big lick over here, angle.
Yeah, the angle lick it. No, but not another angle alone. It's right at the door at the bottom. It lick the moped, the front part. Yes, at the front, but that's a seat of a little tear out. You know,
that's what you mean off a bike, look like a bike.
Yes, and then fly go over there, so. They must see the man hold some places, look, so they might pick up the bike.
Ambulance will come in?
No, they're picking up the bike. So let me go so hard, right, I'm gonna pick up the bike. The bike is fine. And the guy is up and running now. So the guy is up and running. He's up. Popo is here. Pablo, where's here?
Yeah.
Ready then?
Yeah, man, ready.
Movements of job people.
Yeah. If I go up on the bike?
No, I'm on the purple team.
Oh, you still up on the ground?
No, I'm up, man.
You get up?
Yeah.
Man, you stupid?
If realizing, I'm probably realizing himself, so you know.
No, he's a idiot.
Frighten him.
Police them frighten him.
I didn't frighten him, no.
Yeah, he's an idiot. I trick him. He's an idiot. Me now get up. I say, please call the ambulance.
So they come and drop.
Yeah, can the ambulance come?
Oh, now shut it up, that's all right.
Yeah, general.
Just tell my manners and respect.
Come with you.
Oh, so should him get up before the ambulance comes, so nothing can happen then?
It can still happen, because tomorrow you can still go hospital.
Okay.
You can still go hospital tomorrow. Right, me rather, me I come with you.
Okay.
So me I go for my bag, you know, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can still go tomorrow. You know what I mean?
Okay.
But me want to go with the ambulance and everything. Police report everything.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Alright guys, so I'm going to head out now. Yeah man, you know what thing going on? Yeah man, big up. Yeah, why for the company lady my forward at Trench Town and everything? Yeah man, I'm going to forward at the place. So. Best of love guys and everything, so we... Yeah. Alright guys, so anything drinking and sleep. Yeah, peace. goes. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.